What's up, guys? I'm John and you're watching Johnny Fabs, and today we're back with the Super Duty, giving you guys an update. I know it's been a while. I think the last video we showed fixing the rocker panels and the cab corners, and a lot has changed since then. We painted it, we got the flares back on, we got these new rims and tires, but we're going to do a little walk around, show you guys what we've done and what the truck is now compared to 6 months ago. So biggest thing on this truck is the paint. So originally when my dad bought it new, it was silver, just like this, but we went ahead and he wanted to do a change up with the two-tone. So we did the stripes first, the pinstripes. That's all painted on, that's not a graphic. So he taped these off and painted those. That's a mango tango orange. And then the bottom is a 15 Ford color, the gray. And then we did the silver. So just to give you guys a look at that. There's still a little bit more work buffing it out and getting it polished up, but here's a look at the paint. So you can see in the inside, from the last video we did the new rockers, so it's got all fresh metal, and then new cab corners. And then these doors that are on here are from Texas, so they're fresh, clean doors, no rust. Usually they rot out right here. And so the cab's in really good shape now, especially with the new paint. And then looking inside, we pressure washed the seats when they were out, got those cleaned up, all the dirt and stain, and then same with the carpet, shampooed the carpet, and got the interior cleaned up. And then moving back, this box is from Georgia. So the last box, it was rotted out in here, and then the one side was bad. So we got this box. It still needed a lot of body work. So we got this straight. And then the top, my dad had this top for 10 years now, so he put this back on, straightened it out, and painted it to match. And then we got the flares back on too. And then if you want to come to the back, got the newer style tailgate with the drop step ladder style. I think they're 2011 to 16 tailgate, and then the new bumper. So just giving it a fresh look, a little update on it. And then also we got the new rims. As you can see, these are 20 by 12, negative 44 offset, with 35-inch by 12.5 by 20 tires. So they stick out nice and give it a nice aggressive look. And then there's going to be more videos to come on it. We plan on doing a 2-inch lift kit on the front. That'll give it, level it out a little bit. Right now it's got the leveling kit, but it's been on there a while, so getting worn out, and we're going to put new springs up front. So stay tuned for that, but we wanted to give a little walk around on the 7.3 Super Duty, trying to keep these alive and keep them looking good on the roads. So I hope you guys enjoyed the update, and stay tuned for more.